guys, it's Chrissy here at Palm Harbor Homes in Abilene, and we are standing in front of the Homeland. This house is a 30 by 54, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. I just want to start out telling you guys that this exterior is a smart panel siding. Does come with a 50-year warranty. Also, a 12-year structural warranty for this house. Let's go inside and take a look. First off, we're going to step into this beautiful home. You are going to have half-inch sheetrock with the textured walls. Take a look at that beautiful kitchen. Great for entertaining on this big island. You're going to have plenty of space for your dining table. Also going to have the upflow air. The appliances are going to come with it. They're going to also come with a 5-year service warranty, along with the AC and the water heater. Take a look at this farmhouse sink. This place, or this spot right here, is perfect for when you're leaning over the sink, washing the dishes. It actually is good for your back, better back support. You're going to have these built-ins here. Nice for your little knickknacks that you have in your kitchen. I know that I love to put some of my family, my family heirloom knickknacks up there. Okay, and let's just go in here. Also, the barn door is a great little add-on to this house. Gives you that modern farmhouse look. This is going to be your pantry. It's going to have the light, the horizon light in here. That way it lets in a lot of natural light. It is going to come with the wood shelves in this one. Look how big that pantry is, guys. An outlet in here in case you want to put a little freezer in here as well. Ceiling fan in this living room. We're just going to sneak peek real quick into this master bedroom just so y'all can see the size of it. It also comes with the ceiling fan. Look at all the outlets in this room as well. The blinds are going to come with it. They are the cordless blinds. You're also going to have the low E windows. Those are going to be the upgraded insulated windows. Big master closet with the wood rods and shelves. Lots of space for all your clothes, ladies. And then we'll come here and take a quick look at this bathroom. Take a look at this shower. You're also going to have this little horizon light in here. It lets in a lot of natural light. You guys can come see this home and tour the rest of it with me at 3301 Hickory Street in Abilene, Texas. I would love to sit down with you, go over your options, and find your dream home. You can give me a call also at 325-676-9700. Talk to you soon.